It's a home, style, and gift. Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to guide you how to download and install it's a app. So we know is a online marketplace, but there is a app available in your uh, Google Play Store and App Store. So you need to go Google Play Store to get this app. So you can search Google Play Store and search here on the search box. It's a you can see it's a okay, and after that you'll get the app. This one, and if you want to check about the app, you can see 4.2 out of rating out of 5 and 1 million plus write something or give the reviews. 19 megabytes size of the app and 10 million plus people already use this app. So what you need to do, you need to tap on the install button. So it takes few moments to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.